This will be a quick tutorial on the DataLink ACT/SAT software for the DataLink 12000 scanner. The first step will be to install the DataLink software. To receive the link to download, reach out to your sales representative or client services. Once you receive your link, fill out the online form and hit Submit. The DataLink ACT/SAT software will download immediately onto your PC-based computer. Once the software is installed, and if you are using a scanner not purchased with the ACT/SAT bundle pack, you will need to update your scanner firmware. To do so, click on Help, then Update Scanner Firmware. This will close your software and open the firmware locator. This will then locate the scanner, and you should then click the Update button. Once this update is complete, you can close the firmware update screen and reopen the DataLink ACT/SAT software. To start scanning, you can choose to either scan or load your answer key. To load a key, click on File and then choose Load Key and select your saved key. Once you've loaded a key, you can then scan your student forms. Just like in DataLink Connect, when you scan the form, the data appears in the program. In the ACT/SAT version of DataLink, the questions will be displayed as a decimal. In this instance, 3.1 would be considered Section 3, Question 1, and this will carry forward for all of the other sections. In the Session menu, you will have the option of choosing Grid Scoring Rules. This will allow you to change the gridded response questions from either an exact match to a range of questions, or you can use discrete values, which are individual numbers that we considered correct. Once you've done that for each of the sections and scanned your data, you will need to save the individual section. Once you've scanned all 4 sections and saved them individually, you have the option to merge the files together. To do so, choose File, then Merge Text Section. Then add and locate your saved sessions. Once you select your sessions, choose Open, Export to Grid. Once the data is exported to the grid, it is now in one continuous session. At this point, you can generate reports that will be based off all the different sections. There are subscore results, ACT section scores, and results grid. You can always print them or export them to an Excel file. We also have practice test keys available that have the subscore data already assigned to the individual questions. This is available for both the ACT and SAT. You also have the option of changing the view of the responses. You can choose the View Points Awarded, Section Scores, or section and subscores. Once you have generated reports and saved the data as a whole, you can then move on to another practice test. There are a total of 8 practice tests, and we have keys for each of the sections. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to product support. Thank you.